Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. All right, everybody, I'm over here at Scot's shop with the 1984 300D, the 21,000 mile car, and I already can see that Sylvia has started on the wheel and on the wheels and wheel wells, and they're basically gonna wash it, hand wash it, clay bar it, and then move it back in the shop, and they'll start the buffing and polishing process. So let's go talk to Scott. Starting to look nice under there. What's up, Scott?
It's Sunday morning.
How's it going? Why are you working on Sunday? Nothing else to do, huh?
Week.
Same reason I am?
Holiday week.
What do you think of this car?
I think it's white instead of black.
It's very hard to get Scott to say nice things.
It just tickles me. It's just a really cool car.
This thing has 21,000 miles on it.
How did that happen?
Yeah, that's a good question. It's pretty remarkable. So, guys, they're gonna wash it, pull it back in the shop. Hopefully, I'll get some video of Scott running the buffer and polishing, and so we will be back shortly for that. So, Scott was we're walking around the car, and you were pointing out there was some swirl marks back here in the paint. What's that from? I don't know if you guys can see it.
It's going to be hard to see.
Yeah, it's
but it's basically ribbon style marks all over the finish.
What is that from?
It's from somebody using too heavy compound, not a clean pad, high RPMs, and then just not knowing how to buff.
And so are you able to get swirl marks out like that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay, awesome. Let's see if I can show it. Okay, yeah, right there. You can see it in the sun. See the slight swirl marks there in the paint? That's what Scott's talking about. And guys, that doesn't fly. We want that to be smooth as glass and a perfect finish here.
Yeah, you want to be able to see the jets fly over.
And this is single stage, right?
That I don't know yet.
Yeah, I think wide.
Should be.
Kevin, is wide a single stage?
Wide a single stage, yeah.
Okay.
Normally.
So there's a lot to work with on a single stage. There's no clear coat. All right, guys, we'll let Scott work his magic, and this will be a Pebble Beach show car finish. We'll see you shortly. Hey everyone, it's 2 days later, and I'm back over at Scot's, and I see he is in action right now. You can see he's got everything taped off because you do not want to hit any of the trim pieces with that buffer, or that's a random orbital.
Sander.
Oh, it's a sander. All right. Sander, not a buffer. Got all the door handles taped off. And I can see he's definitely already started on the hood up here. And guys, don't let that freak you out. You can fold that over. We fold it over and tape it down so the buffer doesn't hit the chrome up here. How are you guys doing?
Full.
Full? Did you just eat?
Yes.
Now, you said you've already done the interior on this car?
Well,
You did the
She
interior.
went over the motor, and she's touched up a few things on the interior.
Can we take a look at the interior with your detail light?
Yeah.
All right, guys, check this out. They are done detailing the interior. This is one of the nicest original 300Ds you will ever see. I see they've already done the carpets. Guys, check out the seat. This is what a 300D seat would look like when it was brand new in 1984. It does not get any better than that. And guys, this is also, of course, the original dash, 100% crack-free, mint condition. And this is also all of the original wood. Now there's one piece that I need to glue back down. We can see right there. See it starting to come detached from the backing plate, and that's common. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that back onto the backing plate. But check that out. Yeah, pretty remarkable. No cracks or anything in this wood. That's as good as it gets, you guys. And that's common when I was talking about gluing these back together. Usually I see it up here on the glove box, but sometimes it happens here. Just detaches with age. I'll glue that back. Let's go to the other side. Scott, what are you doing back here?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Did you already take those emblems off?
No,
I don't think they need to come off.
I do.
Okay, Scott always takes the emblems off because he likes to polish underneath them. Yeah, check out the carpets here, you guys. That is beautiful original carpet. Here we go. There's a better shot of the dash. Keep in mind, they spent a day detailing, so this is what you get when you do it right. Headliner, amazing condition.
The other mats are out there on too.
Oh, I'll go look at those. They cleaned up the spare back here. Guys, that's the original spare. There's the original dot put on there from the factory. Original tire, toolkit. That's beautiful condition. And you said the other mats were out here? Oh, I see them right there. So these are the original floor mats that go over the carpets in the car. They're out here drying. Check that out. There's almost, I mean, yeah. Here's where you would get most of your wear, because that's where the driver's foot is right there. I don't even see any wear right here. I mean, maybe little right there. This is a real 21,000 mile car. So Scott, what are you doing on the car on the exterior? What's your, let me get a little closer so they can hear you.
Surface sanding it, then buffing, polishing, and waxing it.
Surface sanding, buffing, polishing, wax, so 4-stage.
Yep.
And what is it, Trizac sanding, or what are you using?
No, I'm because there were some areas that I didn't like. I'm using 1,000, 1,500, and Trizac.
And you can do that because this is single stage.
Well, because I want to.
Okay. Oh, can I see the engine? I think you guys also did some on the engine. Sylvia did the engine yesterday, and she is extremely meticulous, so I'm excited to see this.
We call it anal.
Be nice, Scott.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, I see you got in here.
Yep.
Oh, I see you got along the tops up here. Beautiful. Oh, and the core support. Yeah, that's it. That's as good as it gets, you guys. There's no fancy like silicone spray or anything on here. This is what a clean, original, low mileage, mint condition engine looks like. So anyway, I think they may have another day, or y'all finishing today or maybe tomorrow? So they're gonna work on it the rest of the day and tomorrow, and then I'll come up, we'll do a final reveal once they're all finished with it. So I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, I'm back over at Scot's. He is done with the 84 300D with 21,000 miles, and this is gonna blow you away. Let me go up here to the front of the car so you guys can see it. Scott, you have outdone yourself again. Holy cow.
Yeah,
Are you-
have no idea.
Are you excited how this turned out?
Yeah.
This took you several days. You really
Yes.
worked hard. This paint looks, guys, the finishes that Scott puts on these cars, this is like an Amelia Island, Pebble Beach show car finish. And when you feel it, I mean, it is smooth as a baby's butt. But like he's had this car for, I don't know, 3 or 4 days now to do all the detailing. And how many, Scott?
4.
4 days, and it just came out absolutely remarkable. Oh yeah, remember those original? Now there's no tire dressing on the tires yet, but look at the, that's the original bunt, you guys. Remarkable. So we'll put a little tire dressing on there before it goes out, but all the emblems are back on. Yeah, look at the bumper. Look how shiny that is. Guys, this is as good as it gets. Okay, and guys, remember at the beginning of the video, the swirl marks that Scott had pointed out where someone had tried buffing on the trunk, and we got the detail light here, and you can see that all of that is removed, and it's a glass finish now. Very, very nice. Let me turn on the interior light here. There we go. Also, guys, I re-glued that wood panel, that wood trim, to the backing plate. Now that is correctly attached. Pretty common to have to do this on these cars. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and there'll be a walk around video next, and pull the car out of the shop and do a walk around, show and talk about everything that was done on it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.